This creamy, dreamy caramel custard is a definite crowd pleaser. Hi, you're watching Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. With 3 main ingredients you're sure to have in your kitchen, let's make this timeless dessert. We're going to start by making the caramel for our caramel custards. We're going to use a heavy bottom pan, and on a medium heat, we're going to add half a cup of white granulated sugar, and to that we're going to add 1 tablespoon of water. Let's give it a light mix. Now we're going to allow the sugar to melt, and you'll find that the sugar starts changing into different states. It'll first start crystallizing, then it'll start caramelizing. When you find that it starts turning a light golden at the bottom, you want to lift the pot off the heat and swirl it and put it back down on the heat. This way you can control the color of the caramel, and also you can avoid the caramel from burning. We're going to be making individual serve portions, so we're going to be using ramekins. Let's spoon out the caramel into each of the ramekins and make sure we cover the base. Now to make the custard, we're going to be using 2 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk. Don't throw away the white. I have a perfect recipe, my favorite whiskey sour. To that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and just a pinch of salt to bring out all the flavors. Now you're going to want to give this a good whisk till the eggs get well broken down. Now in another saucepan, we're going to be pouring in 500 ml of whole milk, which is 3.25% fat content. And on a medium heat, we're going to allow the milk to come to a boil. Now that the milk is boiling, we're going to reduce the heat to a medium-low, and stirring it all the time, we're going to allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. You want to keep stirring it to avoid the milk from burning at the bottom. Now that the milk has thickened, we're going to add half a cup of white granulated sugar, and we're going to allow it to simmer for another 10 minutes till the sugar has melted and the milk has thickened again. We're going to stream some of the hot milk into the eggs, and whisking it vigorously, we're going to temper the eggs and avoid them from scrambling. Now we're going to add the tempered eggs to the hot milk, and don't stop whisking because we want a smooth custard. Now to make our custard even more velvety, let's strain it through a sieve. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and place your ramekins into an oven-proof dish, which is about the height of your ramekins. Pour the custard into the ramekins till about 3/4 full. You should get about 4 ramekins. So that the custards get steamed evenly, we're going to cover each ramekin with a foil, and we're going to place it in the oven. To steam the custard, we're going to create a water bath. We are adding some hot water into the baking dish, and we're going to let the water come up till it's halfway to the ramekins. We're going to bake the custards for 40 minutes. Now that our caramel custards are baked, we're going to take them out of the water bath and allow them to cool till they come to room temperature. Then we're going to refrigerate them for at least 3 hours before we enjoy them. When you're ready to serve up the caramel custard, take them out of your refrigerator at least 5 minutes before you want to serve them, so that the bottom gets a chance to loosen up. I had covered the ramekins with a plastic wrap when putting it into the refrigerator so that they did not dry up. Using a knife, let's loosen the custard on the top. Now take your plate and cover the ramekin and flip it over. Give it a few shakes, and when you hear a pop, it means that the custard has loosened, and there you have it. And because we love to impress, we're going to top it with some caramel decoration. Wow, look how creamy that is. This has been one of my favorite desserts growing up, and I cannot wait to give it a taste. It's so creamy and just melts in your mouth. I'm going in for seconds. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed already, subscribe. And if you hit on the bell icon, you'll get a notification every time I upload new videos. If you enjoy watching my videos, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave me your comments below. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and now TikTok. The information is in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.